Jai class 10th students. Children, how are you? Hope that you must be fine and doing your studies properly. बच्चों आप सभी को जय हिंद। आप लोगों की पढ़ाई कैसे चल रही है? उम्मीद करते हैं कि अच्छी तरीके से चल रही होगी। And from 22nd July, your PT1 is going to start. So children, here are some questions which I am going to repeat for you. Please note it down. These revision questions are from the first chapter of economics, that is development. Why do people look at a mixed goal for development? Question mark. लोग अलग अलग विकास के सिद्धांत क्यों देखते हैं? क्यों नहीं समाज का सब वर्ग की विकास की अवधारणा एक होती है? I have explained you this concept in detail while your class was running. Okay, so you will take some examples from different sections of society and verify this statement. Okay, next question is, how can you imagine one developmental goal of a landless रूरल लेबर? आप कैसे उम्मीद कर सकते हैं एक भूमिहीन मजदूर, ग्रामीण मजदूर के विकास तरक्की की क्या अवधारणा हो सकती है? ओके, सो वट एवर इज इन हिज हार्ट माइंड, you will write it. For example, a labor will always want good wages plus some extra benefits in private sector also, like health, medical, education, TA, DA, etc. He also wants PF facility. So a landless labor who is in unorganized society, that he also wants. Okay, so come on, next, give one example how rich and poor have conflicting goals of development. एक उदाहरण देके बताइए कि कैसे अमीर और गरीब के विकास के उद्देश्य आपस में टकराने वाले हो सकते हैं। ठीक है, you can, the prosperous rich society wants relaxation in many things like tax, electricity and power supply, wages and means of credit they want. But a poor class people, they want basic necessities of life like health, education, food, clothing, entertainment, employment, etc. Name one criteria other than income which may reflect the level of development. इनकम के अलावा एक और मानक बताइए जिससे कि हम डेवलपमेंट को मेजर कर सकते हैं, लाइक हेल्थ, एजुकेशन, मोर्टेलिटी रेट, infant mortality rate, girls education, women's empowerment. These are the various sectors where you can judge कि beyond income you can measure कि either we are developing or we are underdeveloped or we are backward. Okay, so 5-6 questions I suppose I have given. So children, you will note down all these questions and write its answer. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.